Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. You guys asked me to make a step-by-step video explaining how you can exactly apply to the 1317 charity companies that I talked about in my previous video. Because you guys say that, well, after seeing the list, we don't know how to proceed from there. So that's why I'm here today to do exactly as you have requested. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can click right here and you watch that video, because I'm not going to repeat much of what I said in that video, except what is only strictly important for the purpose of understanding what I'm going to explain in this video. Because in this video, I am focusing on how to move from the list to finding the vacancy and applying for it. So let's not continue with the further talk and get into action. Let's go. First and foremost, I want to thank all my returning subscribers and all of you guys who have been loving my videos and sharing them and hitting like and commenting. Thank you so much. I also want to thank you guys who have started joining my membership. I really appreciate, and I promise you are going to get value from your membership. If you haven't yet joined, you can also just click that join icon, then you become part of our membership. So as I said, we are going to start right here at the gov.uk website, and specifically under Register of Licensed Sponsors. Of course, this list has all employers who are licensed to give visa sponsorship in the UK. But for the purpose of this video, as a follow-up to the previous one, we are going to focus on how to apply to those charity organizations that are also offering visa sponsorship. So as we said, we'll come here and come to this part here. So as I mentioned in the previous video, you can view it online, but viewing it online does not help us much. So what we are going to do is to just click here and download it. As you can see, it is here now. So I'm just going to open it. After opening it, I'll just enlarge this so that we can see clearly what's here. Just like that. Okay, so the name of the organization shall be here, the town or city where it's located is here, the county is here, the type of the company and rating is also here, and the route by which they bring in workers is here. So as you can see, skilled work, creative work, and so forth, global business. But for us, we are interested in the charity worker. So what we are going to do right now is to filter. So in the interest of those who are not very sure of how to filter from this Excel, I'm just going to briefly demonstrate how it's done so that we filter out only the charity organizations that we are interested in. So we'll come here, you just come to data, click on data, and then you come to this icon here and you say filter. So when you filter, you can notice that there are all these arrows pointing downwards all through the sections. But the section we want to filter is here. We cannot filter by name, we can't filter by city. You may actually do that if you're interested in only a particular city. But for now, we are interested in the route. So we shall leave all these parts and then we just focus on this section. So what you do, you just come here and then you come on this search part and then you just type charity worker. Just like that, and then you click OK. So now all these companies we have, as you can see here, are all charity organizations that are licensed by the government of the UK to issue visa sponsorship to their workers. So if you are interested in, say, one place, maybe you want to come to London, you can as well come here and then you say, I want only the ones who are in London. Even though I don't actually encourage you to do something like that, unless if you're already in the UK and established in somewhere in a particular city and you don't want to relocate, then you can do this. But for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how you can do it. So you come here and you type London, okay? Then you say okay. Now we have charity worker organizations that are only based in London. And how many are based in London? 264 companies are the ones that are based in London. But if we remove the filter, then you can see there are 1,318, which means that one was actually added today. But I can't tell which one because as of yesterday, there were 1,317. Today there are 1,318. So it means more companies are joining in, which is good, guys. So if you decided that you want, say, maybe only London, okay, we can go back and say, okay, want only London. Then we get only the ones that are based in London. So let's now say that I am interested in applying to any of them. So I'm just going to pick one at random. So let's just say maybe I'm interested in, okay, let's pick this one. So you just come here, you highlight it, you copy. Once you copy that, you head over to Google. And then all you need to do now is to paste it here. However, when you come here, don't choose search because it will bring you a list of other unnecessary things. So what you do, you just go to I'm feeling lucky. Now that you are here, because when you click that button of I'm feeling lucky, it takes you directly to the website of the company you have put. And once you are in that company, what you need to do is to look for where their career section is, the opportunities or the job section. So since I'm not sure, I'm just going to look around and see what is there. Okay, because you never know where it is. So I just scroll around and see. Okay, now for this is here. So we just come to jobs. So when you come to jobs, working at the British Library, blah, 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 you can see. And then here you have vacancies in London and Yorkshire. Search and apply. Some of the opportunities are here for early careers, apprenticeships, and work experience, guys. For this, I think that can do. Let me just click here and see what happens. Okay, I think here now when you come, you need to know what you are looking for. For example, they have given you here, the job title could be analyst, manager, designer, whatever you want, the location where you want to work, and then other things like this that you can fill in if you are looking for the job. And from this example we're given, they showed you this job here. Job details are here, but you can see there are so many opportunities. You have metadata specialist, you have program support officer, this is full-time, okay? This one is even ongoing, guys. This is the closing date is 14th of October 2024. Okay, you have finance. This one is also still ongoing. So guys, there are actually opportunities. All you need to do is to be serious and apply. Because I see people asking a lot of questions under the comment section. Of course, most of them are being positive and saying they are going to try this. But some few are still skeptical and thinking, well, is this worth trying or not? But I am not for those. I am for those who are interested in actually taking the steps necessary to secure these positions. So you can see, and this is just one company. Guys, you see all these jobs are here. The descriptions are here if you are happy. So you can see this one, you can apply online if you're happy with it. So the details are here, your salary is here. Guys who were asking me, how will the workers be surviving in the UK? They will give you a stipend, even though here they have written on salary. Actually, it's not supposed to be called salary, but they call it stipend. But I think because people know salary, they use the word salary. So you can see you will be getting something here. 24,000. 24,000 is good money to keep you in the UK. Okay. Okay, now that is one. Let us go and pick another one randomly and see what is there. I'm going to pick another one just randomly again. Maybe I'm biased because I wanted to pick these doctors of the world, but let me just pick something else. And then forget, guys, we are only picking the ones in London right now because we filtered out all others and left only London. But you can do this for all the companies, wherever the location is. Since I didn't want to make this video so long, we are going to pick out just one more and then we call it a day, right? So let's go down and pick one of the ones down and we see what they have. Okay, let's pick this very last one down and see what is there. Zoology Society of London. Okay, back to Google. You guys already now know the steps. Paste. I'm feeling lucky. There we are. Okay. So I want to check if they have a career opportunity or volunteering opportunity available at the moment. So we just move. Okay, so here they have this part saying working at ZSL, Zoology Society of London. So let's check and see. Okay, so now you see here, ZSL careers, work for us. Okay, current vacancies, career and courses. So you just come to current vacancies. So when you come to current vacancies, you can see the ones that are there. So here they've given you an example. So you should be knowing what kind of position you are looking for and from which area you want to work with them. And then you just click on search. But also you can first read how to apply, and it is explained here how to apply. So this is the part which explains. So you guys can come and read all this, because you can see here we are committed to recruiting the best people possible to help us achieve our mission in creating a world where wildlife thrives. If you're looking to join us, here are some key details about our recruitment process so that you know what to expect from us. Okay, so this is the process. I won't go through all of it, but you can see when you click here, there's an explanation. When you click here, still there's an explanation. You can do that at the end. So some of the latest jobs they have are here. Program Associate, Senior Stakeholder Officer, 30th September, meaning that this is the deadline. So for this one, Senior Stakeholder Engagement Officer, this is 4th October is the deadline. So you have seen those, then maybe you can hover around like this. Okay, you can see others are here and so forth and so forth. Logistics, the deadline is 13th of October. This one is based in London, this is based in Philippines, and this is the much you'll be paid per annum. And then you continue. Christmas event staff, guys who love Christmas like myself, this would be the perfect job for you guys. Okay, this one we had already seen. So you keep on moving, okay, just like that until you finish. Seems they're looking for a lot of these Christmas people. This is head elf, this is Christmas event staff, 6th October, the deadline, 6th October. These are in London. And you can see these ones are paid per hour, 13.95 per hour. You can see the jobs are here. Zookeeper, etc, etc. We cannot finish all of them. Director of Development, Zoological Department Coordinator, and so forth and so forth. So I have only tried to show you guys a few, but you can do this for all the 1,318, not the 17 that we talked about. And you pick the one of your interest and you apply. And just like that, guys, you will get your visa sponsorship and you are in UK. So if you have watched this video up to this point, I want to assume that it was good. And if it was so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And guys, as always, please make sure that you share this video with those who need it, because I'm also sharing with you. Don't be selfish, share it with others, wish them good things, and good things will come your way. And with that, I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.